Hey there, John Dow, the conversation coach. Hey Ryan and Sarah, I finally did it. I made this video just for you guys. It's a how do you say video. So for people who aren't aware, this is going to be an English pronunciation video. Let's talk about it. So instead of just one word, it's a series of words and a series of sounds, and I wanted to do it proper justice, but I also want to keep these videos simple and streamlined without any editing basically, so there's no images, even though that would be really helpful. But I have it divided right here. And at the top of each of these lists is the key sound. We have O and ow. So O, and then this next word here, like with archery, with the arrow, you have a bow. O, bow. And then what you drink out of, what pets drink out of, what you eat cereal out of, what you eat soup out of is a bowl. Bowl. So be careful. In the English mindset, oh, no, wait a second. Time out. Here, I'm going to edit this in real time. Can you see this? This is going to be great. Did that show? Perfect. Okay. So we have O, that's still the case. So O, bow, and bowl, one syllable. So not bowl, but bowl, ol, like old. Okay. O, bow, bowl. Next, we have ow, like you get hit, ow. Okay, then the gesture, that's in Asian culture, but not only Asian culture, you bow, right? You bow your head. You bow your head in prayer. And then, a lot of English words and sounds, the onomatopoeia for animal sounds, they don't make any sense. But for a dog, we say bow wow, ow wow, bow wow. But the big confusion that Ryan and Sarah wanted to know was this is related to stomach issues. This is going to be the medical scientific term. Gastrointestinal issues, they affect your bowel when you have poop problems. Okay, so reverse order here. Your bowel, bow wow, bow, ow. Then on the opposite end, bowl, bow, o. Okay. A little bit of repetition there. Nothing fancy, nothing catchy. Oh, no magic way to remember your English and pronunciation and sounds. This is honestly what it takes. Go through it. First, see if you can recognize, can you distinguish all these sounds? Does it sound the same to you? If it all sounds the same, you need to invest more time listening to it. That's the first thing. Next, can you try to make a differentiation? At first, maybe you hear the difference, but when you say it, it all sounds the same way. Or you can't tell if you can make a differentiation or not. If you can't tell if you're making a different sound, you need to record your voice and play it back, okay? And if you need a second opinion, you can always reach out to me. But take it nice and slow. It sucks. I always tell people this, that yes, your bad pronunciation is really noticeable, but pronunciation is one of the toughest things to fix. That should be a long-term goal, not a short-term goal. Okay? Even with terrible pronunciation, you can still have conversations, you can still make friends, you can still get that job, you can still succeed in so many different ways. If you focus too much on just pronunciation, you're going to be really demotivated, you're going to get more frustrated, and you're probably not going to improve your speaking that much. Okay, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Helpful thumbs up, not so helpful thumbs down. Share with your friends. If you did like it, suggestions on how to improve, suggestions on what to cover, any other future questions, and you can always follow me on Twitter, COMMDAO, calm down, let's talk.